The Nissan Kicks key fob uses a CR2032 battery. To replace it, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver. Carefully insert the screwdriver into the small slot on the side of the key fob. Gently pry the case open. Avoid using excessive force, as this can damage the plastic. Once the case is open, you'll see the battery. The process has remained consistent over the years. Make sure to not touch the battery with your bare hands. With the key fob case opened, first note the orientation of the old CR2032 battery. The positive side should be facing up. This ensures you insert the new battery correctly. Carefully remove the old battery from its compartment. Handle it gently to avoid damaging the circuit board or creating static electricity. Take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment with the positive side facing up, just like the old one. Ensure it's seated securely in place. Align the two halves of the key fob case carefully. Press them together firmly until they snap shut. You should hear a clicking sound to confirm they're securely closed. Your Nissan Kicks key fob may need to be reprogrammed after battery replacement. Consult your owner's manual for specific instructions on syncing the fob with your vehicle.